Hello, welcome to everyone, and today is our graph problem. A graph problem. There are four graphs, and the question asked us which graph is practically possible. Okay, we'll understand it by our common sense, and that's the matter. If you have some common sense, you can do it easily. And how we'll use our common sense? Okay, we are seeing that there is a curve that distance traveled and by time. So what we'll do? We'll do 2 times. Okay, this one. Look, this is increasing and this is also increasing. Suddenly the time increased and the distance suddenly dropped, but distance traveled never been negative. That means if you cover some distance, this is let 10 meter, and after some times it could not be 9 meter. Okay, you are traveling from some point A to B at 1 hour, say 10 meter. It is very slow. So after 2 hours, it cannot be just 9 meter. It cannot be 9 meter because it is a distance traveled and it is a scalar one, and distance traveled is always positive. Distance traveled is always positive. Okay. It is not the displacement. Remember, this is just distance traveled. So this is not the right one. Okay. So what about this one? Okay. This one is looking like okay, it's fine, but there is a problem. What is the problem? Problem is this thing. We can see that the graph says that there is a negative time. Okay, there is a negative time. So negative time, this is not also possible. So negative time, you can note down these ideas. It will help you. Negative time is not possible. Is not possible. Okay, possible. Okay. Secondly, this is a very interesting idea there. Option 3 is very interesting because that, look, if you take two, if you take a just line velocity with respect to so you are getting what you are getting this point and this point, the crossovers or crossings. So at a single time there are two velocities. Is it possible? You are measuring some velocity and say that at 3 second velocity of some particle is 10 meter per second and velocity is 5 meter per second. Is it possible? Is it physically possible? No, it is not physically possible. For a single time there must be a single velocity. These are common sense. Okay, first of all. Secondly, if you go through some points, look, if you are going from graph, this is going here, that is time is decreasing. That is not also possible. If you are going through this point, then time is decreasing. That is not possible. So that's not our correct answer. So we are left with this one, and this must be right. Okay, this must be right, but why? Acceleration by time. So it starts from t equal to 0. So look, this problem has nothing unusual. Why? Time is increasing and acceleration is increasing. So change in acceleration there, it could be. Okay, this is a possible one, that sometimes a car is moving. Let a car is moving. I am giving you some examples that a car is moving. At 1 second, it has some acceleration, say 2 meter per second square. And after 5 seconds, it has 5 meter per second square. It is possible. It is possible that somebody accelerates with time. It is possible. Okay. So this one is a possible answer. Okay, clear?